हेलो एंड वेलकम टू मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। मैं हूं सौरभ, मेरे साथ है निखिल और आज हम लोग रिव्यू करने वाले हैं साउथहैम्पटन 2 मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड 3। निखिल, what do you think about the game? Obviously big 3 points for us.
या सौरभ, ब्रिलियंट गेम एज अ फैन। मतलब बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग गेम था एंड आई थिंक आई कांट स्टॉप माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम प्रेजिंग कवानी what I've seen today. Finally, भले ही he came for a very short time, I am simply like gushing about him.
Yeah.
Brilliant game overall, and a game of two halves. I
Yeah.
think similar to what we had last time around. First half में actually first 25 minutes were pretty much in our favor, and then we lost momentum and we let goals go. And the second half we made changes, both forced changes in a way, but we came back strongly in that second half.
Mm.
I feel had there not been Cavani, we might have not won this game. A
No
proper
doubt.
striker won us this game today.
Yeah. Yeah. और रॉबिन वैन पर्सी के बाद मुझे लग रहा है पहली बार ऐसे प्रॉपर नंबर 9 कोई है अपने पास। एंड यू कैन सी इन बोथ द गोल्स, राइट? जो पहले ब्रूनो का शॉट था, ही वाज डॉनी वैन डे बीक एंड कवानी, दो लोग थे बॉक्स में, and only Cavani made that sort of darting run bhi nahi, matlab it was just reactive, it was just instinct, and whereas Van der Beek was moving away from the goal, so you could
Right.
see the striker senses kicking in. Loved the two goals.
Right.
Second goal may be amazing near post finish. At the start of the season when we did our squad analysis, हम लोग ने ये देखा था कि Rashford, there are two ways Rashford moves from the left hand side. एक है कि he goes he cuts in on the left foot and tries to take a shot. दूसरा है कि almost 2/3 of the pitch में आगे जाके he cuts back on his right hand side and tries to put a ball with his right foot. And we were wondering कि वो बार बार ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है. And today we saw why he was doing it. He was looking for that run from a striker or from an attacking midfielder at the near post, so that we could head that in. So glad that it was paying dividends.
Yeah. So Saurabh, let's talk about the key events of the game. Obviously, I did mention the first 25 minutes. Any fan would agree, even Southampton fans would agree. United were dominating them, and I personally didn't expect us to dominate the way we did in the 25 minutes. But then comes what minute? 23rd. Actually, 23rd minute is when they actually scored that goal from that corner. What is your thought about that goal that we conceded?
हम लोग ने मैच प्रीव्यू में ऑलरेडी बोला था कि जेम्स वॉर्ड प्राउस का डिलीवरी इज अमेजिंग और उनके दो सेंटर हाफ्स आर गुड विद द हेडर्स. So it did not come as a surprise. What came as a surprise was our defending on set pieces. हम लोग एक अलग से वीडियो बनाएंगे on how Solskjaer sets his team up on while defending corners, and that's a different topic by itself. So I wasn't pleased to see कि we let the ball मतलब corner concede किया, those मतलब we couldn't control that. I think it was the right thing that Lindelof did. Ward-Prowse ka pacey on-point delivery was unstoppable. We could not control that. But everything from that point, covering their center backs with our big center half or our bigger players, should have been a no-brainer. उनके तीन 6 foot plus big players है. एक था बेटनरेक, एक था वेस्टरगार्ड और एक था रोमेयो. अपने पास तीन हेडर्स ऑफ द बॉल थे, Maguire, Lindelof, and Matic. Out of the 11 that we had on the pitch at that point. Right. And I was stunned to see that Vestergaard was at the far post, Bednarek was at the near post. Near post was being marked by Rashford, far post was being marked by Matic, and Lindelof and Maguire were in the center of the goal. So उनके जो major threat है, दो center backs, they were unmarked. तो मतलब unmarked नहीं, they were our biggest and best headers were not anywhere close to them, which was and we need to talk about that in detail at a later point. So close to the 30th or the 28th minute mark, exactly जैसे हम लोग ने pre-match या tactical preview में predict किया था, वैसे जेनेपो एंड बर्ट्रांड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को ओवरलोड कर दिया था they had a cross field pass which Ward Prowse ने उनका right back Kyle Peters got at the far post. He took a shot and it hit the post exactly जैसे हम लोग ने predict किया था. We know that's how Southampton play, and which was avoidable. At that point Telles was caught out of position, and he should have intercepted that crossfield pass जो expect करना चाहिए था अपने को. हम लोग को far post पे we knew that they were going to play that ball जो we did not protect. So that was the second thing that I wanted to talk about. फिर दो चांसेस हम लोग ने जो ग्रीनवुड का ही हिट दो बड़े चांसेस उसने मिस किए व्हिच वाज अ सरप्राइज. ग्रीनवुड इज अ डेड आई इन फ्रंट ऑफ गोल. मुझे दोनों चांसेस उसके पास गए थे, मुझे लगा था कि इट्स अ श्योर शॉट गोल. पहला गोल तो ओपन गोल, ही ऑलमोस्ट राउंडेड ऑफ द कीपर, या मतलब उनका ही मिस्टेक था. मतलब बेडनरिक एंड वेस्टरगार्ड हैड अ शॉकर. ग्रीनवुड वाज फ्री इन फ्रंट ऑफ गोल और ही मिस्ड द टारगेट. मतलब that was a surprise. Second chance जो था, Greenwood hit the shot directly at the keeper, bounced off him, and Bruno missed a relatively easy chance by his standards. So it could have been very easily 2-1 before they scored their second goal.
Right. Yeah. Momentum अपने favor में जो आ रहा था, we kind of completely gave it away, and yeah, that put us under the pressure. So let's move on to the second goal. Again, Ward-Prowse beauty. हमने free kick concede की, knowing that is the sweet spot Ward-Prowse likes, right? Thoughts about that?
Unstoppable free kick था. मतलब जब भी वो free kick ले रहा था, I knew that he was going to hit it on target. It was just that how good was it going to be, and it could not have been better. Amazing free kick. And well played, Ward-Prowse. They deserved to score both their goals because both their goals were well worked. We probably should have gone into halftime at 2-2, but we were not clinical in front of goal. Halftime में जाते वक्त I felt that some heads were dropping. I was not confident. I felt that they might score 3-4, and we might not have a reply. But great to see halftime पे substitute किया. One of them was a forced substitute, Henderson, in place of injured De Gea. But substitution was inspiring. Changed the game for us.
Yeah. I was thinking whether Solskjaer would actually go for that change, and वो मतलब बहुत recently हमने देखा है एक दो cases में जहाँ Solskjaer has made that change at halftime and brought in like a like for like substitution. So yeah, मुझे लगा था maybe 55-60 minutes होंगे तब होगा.
So usually Solskjaer Champions League में half time पे substitute करता है because he has 5 substitutes on the bench, और he Champions League में 5 substitutes कर सकते हैं हम लोग. Premier League में I think this is the first time, at least in this season, where he has made a substitution at half time.
No, I think I don't recollect which game it was, but he has made that change once, which wasn't the case in the first year that he had with us. So anyways, coming to the third goal now, right? The third goal was scored 59th minute. Bruno scored it, and Cavani supplied that ball. Thoughts about that one?
Great move. To be honest, मुझे जब तक गोल गया नहीं था तब तक मुझे लगा नहीं था कि we would score. मतलब हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे थे, बट बहुत फाइनल थर्ड में ऐसे मिस्ड passes, just मतलब either the passes were just behind the player or just ahead of the player, या मतलब ऐसे लग रहा था this was not going to work out for us. But Cavani found that empty space on the right hand side, put a pinpoint cross in, and Bruno coolly finished it. Beautiful goal.
Nice touch, control अच्छा था, and Bruno का movement भी अच्छा था. Like he found that perfect place to be between the two center backs so that he could easily receive the ball and hit it on the second goal.
Yeah.
And one thing I wanted to mention, this third goal was so crucial. अगर ये third goal Southampton मार देता, तो I think we would have been flattened completely. I think.
And
Yeah.
And before we scored, Walcott had 2 shots on goal. और तभी मैंने text किया था कि it looks like Walcott will score the third. So we got that goal just in time.
Right. Okay, so the fourth goal of the game, Cavani scores this one. What about that? What do you think?
Striker's instinct. Edge of the box से एक shot आता है. And we had someone like a Lukaku do that when Ole first joined in. जब ये Rashford free kicks को Lukaku used to charge in off the free kicks to hit rebounds या ऐसे, मतलब just the striker's instinct to be in the right place. And this was a Van Persie type goal. Instinctively he put the head where it needed to be, and great goal.
Didn't the ball get deflected on its way? I thought it did.
It did. It was hit along the ground.
Yeah.
So मतलब वो जा रहा था towards the direction of the ball so that he could deflect it with his feet into the net, and it bounced off a defender's feet, सर के level पे आया, and he still managed to nod it in. So brilliant.
Yeah, brilliant. And 90 plus 3 minutes, Cavani scores again, assist by Rashford. मैं लिटरली मतलब ऐसे 85 मिनट से ऐसे मैं मन में सोच रहा था कि कवानी को कैसे तो बॉल दे दो, he'll score that goal, he'll score the winner for us. What are your thoughts about that one?
Unreal. मतलब Fergie time winner, can't complain. 3 points. मतलब ecstatic about it.
So yeah, this particular win was so crucial. It puts us at 16 points. I think table may probably we might line up at like 8th or something. If I'm quickly checking it up. Southampton are 5th still, 17 points, but having played 10 games, we have played a game less than them, and we are on the 7th position with 16 points. आज Tottenham अगर जीतता है तो, which might be difficult since they are traveling to, I think going away or to Chelsea. But hopefully they draw and they and Liverpool, both of them are at 21. If we win the next one against, I think West Ham, हम 19 point पे रहेंगे. I'm really excited. The progress that we are making after that Istanbul debacle, I was really disappointed. I was like, oh man, it's going wrong for Solskjaer suddenly, and fans are losing faith, but the faith is back.
Yeah. नहीं, we should keep consistently at it. By the way, second half में, I think from 60th minute to the end of the game, there were 4 key players. Obviously Cavani, no question about that. Obviously Bruno for providing and finishing. But 2 players who will go under the radar. Everyone will rave about the assists and the goals, but 2 players that everyone will forget, Van de Beek and Fred. I think Fred was winning everything in midfield by that point. I think एक phase था between the 30th minute to 60th minute where we were losing the midfield battle. 60th minute से लेके Fred was amazing. मतलब one touch, मतलब as soon as he won the ball, एक भी ball, unlike Matic, एक भी ball उसने back pass नहीं किया. Every time he won the ball, the first intent was to immediately pass the ball forward. Van de Beek का, as soon as he won the ball, 3-4 passes उसने right from center circle से Rashford को he pinged it on the left flank. Amazing. Van de Beek and Fred was they were really good for large parts of the game. There was a part of the game where we were losing the midfield battle though.
Right. Van de Beek, I don't even need to see the stats. I was so impressed. पहले 20 मिनट में एक जो वो एकदम लेफ्ट साइड में जो एक ऐसे प्रेशर सिचुएशन में जो बॉल निकाला, I don't think over the entire course of the game, whenever he had a touch, the next thing he did was find our player. I don't think he misplaced any balls. Maybe his passing accuracy would be 90+% for sure. But yeah, and Fred, man, जैसे तूने बोला, he's making his name. Like अभी Solskjaer, I think, might be thinking he's undroppable. If he's fit, he's undroppable the way he's going. Anyway, so man of the match अगर सौरभ choose करना है, maybe बहुत ही silly question है, but man of the match for you?
Cavani is the game for us. Yeah.
मैं ढूंढ रहा था कवानी वाला यूनाइटेड में फोटो है क्या जो एरो शूट करता है.
Oh,
वैसे वाला. I hope I find it. हाँ, brilliant celebration. Finally
brilliant.
किया वो देखने मिल रहा था क्योंकि पहले तो assist ही दिए थे उसने जो भी दिए. But yeah.
And to be honest, I was not very happy when we signed Cavani, and not because of the player, because of the way he was signed on deadline day when we could have signed him 2-3 months previously.
Right.
So I felt that signing a 30 plus year old striker on a 1 year contract after we had signed a 30 plus striker on loan in Igalo just felt too short term. But if we are going to get a quality player, then no complaints.
Age doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Ibra is another example now. जो अपने इधर आके गया.
Yeah.
Anyways, closing thoughts for the game, Saurabh.
Good 3 points to win. Keeps us in the top half of the table and in touching distance for the first the top 3 positions. So we should forget top 4. Top 3, top 2 positions के लिए we should be in the run. So if we go through our December fixture list and mid January तक हम लोग अगर top 3 के आसपास रहते हैं, I think we'll have a good end to the season.
Yep. So that's it from us, guys. Watch out our channel for the PSG United versus PSG pre-match review video, and do like us know. Do share your comments, what you like or dislike about the videos, what you would like to see, and continue watching. Thank you.
Bye.